Okay, here we have Bayo de San Francisco from Cape Recife to Cape St. Francis Lighthouse. Not a splash, not a seagull, not a sardine. What can do, Mamu? But we do have a odd set now and again, looking good, promising, take note.
And that big question on everybody's lips, who needs a helmet? Well, these two guys think you do. Terry Sims on the left, Dave Goulden on the right. And check what they got. Yes, so slick looking, eh? Don't know if you need them at Seal Point, but you'll certainly need them at Super Tubes. But okay, some larger than life. Terry Sims.
Kado. Kado. Kado.
We did see some other
Simba in the helmet with the seats back going.
Oh, did you go through the...
And Mr. Goulden.
And then, all of a sudden, it was Dolfyn Donderdag. This is Benjamin Barnard, local chap, and he got himself onto the team. You'll see later on, he gets his own helmet. That'll headbutt those dolphins out the way. Can't believe those guys are so cheeky. And then it was payday at Stupours.
Friday, fraught with rain and waves and wind. There's a Cliff Point operating. What happened? Friday, North Cliff Point. Fairly solid.
Six-sider, there's one.
Oh!
Didn't go for the whole hog though. Another one. Oh yeah, that one's going to be almost made.
Oh. Hey, 3 bells. And these things are still rolling through. Can you Adam and Eve it? Rather juicy. And virginal. No, there you go. How? Hold the camera steady, Eddie. Sure, Saturday morning, couple of big ones rolled through yesterday. It looks like it's trying again today. Yeah. We checked our Koa Smith. Get out of a barrel last night. Yup. And the crowd went crazy. We met him. Very friendly guy. And his friend from Kauai. Yeah, it's looking acceptable, eh? And more. On the way, 54, 55, that's a clip. Wow, we do have a monster set rolling through Saturday morning, eh? No, rolling through till it hits the sections that it likes. And that's the end of the set. Let's see if we can find out where the rest went. That way. Bombs today, Cherry.
Yeah, I got 3 right off the bat, sunrise.
And the helmet?
And the helmet worked insane, kept my head warm. On the way out, I had to take 3 on the head with it, paddling, and it just pierced the water, kept my feet toasty. I'm just so in love with this thing.
And you're doing some sort of foundation to help the kids at Sumba Island.
Yeah. I help with fundraising for the Sumba Foundation, which is a non-profit organization. I try to do good work here, trying to make amends here.
And some fundraising for aging hippies too, I hope, soon.
Oh, yes. We'll get that non-profit going.
And Benjamin got sponsored a helmet and a fang tail. Thank you very much, Terry.